So, hello guys, today we'll be solving the Codeforces 266A problem that is shown on the table. So, the problem is quite straightforward. So, the problem states that there are n stones on the table and each of them can be either red, green, or blue in color. So, we need to count the minimum number of stones we need to take out from the table so that no neighboring stones are of the same color, meaning that they have to be different colors. So the input format is such that the first line contains the integer n, which is the number of stones on the table, and the next line contains string containing the order of the stones on the table. So there are the output has to be the answer, which are the minimum number of stones required to take off from the table, and these are the given input and output for some example test cases. So moving on to the explanation of algorithm. So it would go such like it would go like this. So suppose you have a string rrg. So initially we will start our counter at I equal to 0, that is position 0 of the string, and store our answer as 0. Then we will run an while infinite loop and check at each step of loop whether I is equal to the last index of the string. If it is equal to the last index of string, then we have traversed the whole string and we would like to break from the infinite loop, and then we will print the answer. So algorithm is such that at each step we will check if color at the ith index is equal or not to the color at I plus 1 index. So if in this case it is equal, so if it is equal, then what we'll do is we'll increment the answer by 1, as we'll have to remove this stone from the list so that we can get list containing no same stones alternative. So we would increment the answer by 1 and we would erase this from the string. So we would delete the value which is stored at index I plus 1, which is like this. So if it is not equal to color at I plus 1, then we would simply increment the value of I by 1 and it will go forward. So it will go like this in this example. Initially I is at 0. So at each step it will check if I plus 1 is equal to I or not. If it is equal, it will increase the answer by 1 and erase the element at I plus 1 index. So it will go on till only two letters are left, and after everything is removed, it will return the total answer, which is 4, which is 4 number of elements will have to be removed from this string. For this example, no side by side stones are of the same color, hence it will directly traverse the whole loop in linear time and it will give the answer as 0, since there are all the stones are arranged properly as per the situation. So following this algorithm, our code will be in such a format. So I'll just show you how the code would look like. So this is how code would look like. First we'll take in the input n, then take in the string colors. Then we'll create an infinite loop to traverse using the conditions in the algorithm, and we will just check. And after doing that, we will print the output of the code. Hope you understood this sum, and it was kind of an easy sum. I will just submit it here to show you that it works as well. I've submitted. So to get the code of this, you can always go on my GitHub. The link to GitHub would be provided in the description. As you can see, the code runs successfully. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and comment down below which algorithm would you like to see next for any of the sum.